Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take a spoon and take a cloth. Mark the lines like this. Now, take a needle and the thread. Put the threads like this. So you can see we are putting the running stitch, joining the lines. Now in the same manner, take a green color thread and then put it over the stem with the help of the chain stitch. So here we are making the chain stitch like this on both the sides, fill it. Now in the same manner, we'll be putting the running stitch to make the leaves like this. Follow the same step for the other side and fix the leaves like this. So you can see how we are doing it. Follow the same step for the other side of the leaf in the same manner and it's done. Next, take a cloth, cut it like this. So it's a jeans, we have to cut it from the downside. Now after cutting it from the downside, we have to put the semicircular shapes like this at the ends. Now you have to cut it in the same manner using the scissors. So cut it very carefully how we are cutting it. And then we have to take the scissor and then make the frills like this at the ends by cutting it like this. You can see how we are doing it. Now after that, rub it and remove the extra frills like this and it's done. Next we have to take a cloth. Now we have to cover the torn part of it. So you can see how we are fixing the threads in the between by folding it like this. So you can see how we are putting it one by one as shown in the video. Keep doing it like this. Now after fixing the threads, cover the jeans properly as shown in the video like this. Now after that, we have to put the threads, cover it. Now we have to take a green one and put it over it like this. So as we are making a corn, so we have to make its coverings and your corn is done. I hope you liked it. Next, we have to take a jeans. Now fold it inwards like this. Now, take a needle and put it like this with the help of the thread. So you can see how we are putting it. Now again put the needle and fold the threads like this. So we are making a chain stitch kind of thing. So you can see now again put a needle in the between, fold it forward and then we have to put it like this. So basically we are making a chain stitch like this and in the same manner you have to follow the stitches till the end. Cover the jeans like this. Now after it is done, we have to put the needle like this again in the between and stretch the threads and the threads will go inside. And look how neatly it's done. I hope you liked it. Now further you can do is put the thread in the between and pull it on the back side and it's done. Next you can mark the lines on the sides of the jeans. Now you have to take the thread and put it like this. So you can see how we are doing it. Put the red color threads and then cover the jeans one by one till the top. So you can see how we are putting it and then covering the jeans. Keep fixing it like this till the top. Now after covering it, at the end, we'll be fixing the threads tightly. Now you can see we have reached the top. Now here we'll be putting the needle and the thread together like this and fix it. Now you have to tightly stretch the threads and it's done. Look, it's almost got covered and the threads are gone inside and your jeans is repaired. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.